Alright, let's do tank view now. So let's do this. So yeah. Right. Show me kind of this ball. Down. Whatever. Yeah, I'll put it. Sync. It says 2020 here as well. April 1st, 2020 right here. And here it says March 31st right here. March 31st, 2020. I don't know if you guys can see it well or not. Alright, so here we go. April 7th. But still, I need to hurry the fuck up, seriously. I better hurry up. I don't want my battery to die again. Seriously. Alright. Alright, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't. Alright. Alright, that's it. That's all I have to show in the tank. Alright, I'm gonna put the tank on before my phone dies. Not tablet, it's a freaking Google Pixel phone. Alright, let's go. Get a good thumbnail of this video. Alright, let's go. Right here, okay. Ended.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words.